We're looking at these two questions. Find the general solution together with all the solutions, okay, in the range of 0 to 360. Okay, so the first question, let's go straight to the question. The first 2 cos squared x theta minus 3 sine 2 theta minus 2 equal to 0. So what we do here is that the angles are not the same. So we need to make the angle the same as much as possible. Also try to make the trig ratio also uniform. Okay. So we need to break this one down, this double angle to single angle. So this will be 2 cos squared theta, and this will be minus 3 into bracket. Sine 2 theta is what? 2 sine theta cos theta minus 2 equal to 0. So, and this will be equal to 2 cos squared theta minus 6 sine theta cos theta minus 2 equal to 0. So the next thing to do now is that we can see that cos is there, cos is there. So we can divide by the ix factor there. So divide through the equation by cos squared theta. So here over cos squared theta we have 2. Here it will be equal to 1 is on the top, so it will be 6 sine theta over cos theta. Okay, this one will go on the top. We have 2 at the bottom, so it will remain 1 finally. Then this will be equal to minus 2 times 1 over cos squared theta equal to what? Equal to 0. So we now have sine over cos is tangent. So we have 6 tan theta, and then minus, this will be what? 1 over cos is sec, so that will be 2 sec squared theta, because this is 1 over cos squared theta equal to 0. So what we are trying to do here is that the best practice is to make the trig functions to be the same, okay? In the case that is possible, make the trig ratio to be the same, and that's what I want to do. So we want to see what connects sec with tan. And for an identity, we know that sec is 1 plus tan squared theta, okay, equal to 0. 1 plus tan squared theta is equal to what? Sec squared theta, okay. We just plug in there for this. We substitute for sec squared theta, which is equal to what? 1 plus tan squared theta. Then the next thing to do is to do the expansion. 6 tan theta. This will be minus 2 times 1, minus 2. Minus 2 times this, so minus 2 times squared theta equal to 0. So minus 2 here and plus 2 here will cancel out. So we now have 2 tan squared theta, okay, minus 6 tan theta equal to 0. So if you like, we can multiply through or through by and the choice is ours. We can multiply through by divide. Okay, let's multiply through by minus. So we have 2 tan squared theta plus 6 tan theta. And if you like, also we can also divide through by divide that through by 2 if you like. So this is quadratic. This is a quadratic form, so we can get it tan theta. Let's get tan theta is minus 3 or 0. Okay, that's minus 3. This is quadratic. The constant here is 0. Okay, in form of tan theta. Okay. And if you don't want to do it this way, the choice is yours. You can also do it another way. It's just algebra. 2 tan theta plus 6 tan theta. Okay. You can take you can factorize tan 2 tan theta. You can take it out. Okay, and the main one here now is tan theta. Okay, and then this tan here is already outside. How many 2 goes in? 6. That's plus 3 equal to 0. So we have 2 tan theta equal to 0, or tan theta plus 3 equal to 0. So from here, you see you have your tan theta as what? Minus 3, or tan theta equal to 0. So that's what we also got from the calculator. So this is manual. So we can get the general solution for these. Let's get for this one. The general solution will be theta equal to 180 n plus arctan 0. That's 0. So just have theta equal to what? 180 n. Okay. Then for this one, theta will be equal to 180 n plus arctan minus 3. This will become, this is minus 71.6 degree. So which is equal to 180 n minus 71.6 degree. So these are the two general solutions. We need to get the list of solutions, get all the solutions for the respective equation. For this one, when n is 0, your n is integer. Your n is 0, you have what? 0. Yep, you have 0. N is 1, you have 180. N is 2, you have 360. Let's say for this one, n is 0, you have negative. A negative value is outside the range. Your range of values is from 0 to 360. So n is 1, you have theta equal to 180. That's 108.4. N is 2, 360 minus 71.6. That's 288.4 degree. So n is 3. I think that will be outside the range of value. Yeah, it's outside the range of value. So we can combine this value together. So solutions are what are they? 0, 108.4, 180, 288.4, and 360. Okay, so these are the solutions for that. Then we'll go to the next question, question 2. Go to question 2. Question 2, we have tan 2 theta minus 1 is equal to 6 cot 2 theta. So the first thing to ask ourselves is that what is the relationship between tan and cot? Okay, so they have an inverse relationship. Okay, so in that case now, this will be tan 2 theta minus 1, and cot is what? 6 times what? 1 over tan 2 theta. So cot is 1 over tangent of the angle. Can you cross multiply by multiplying 2 by tan 2 theta? Okay, so that will be what? Tan 2 theta. Okay, into brackets. Tan 2 theta minus 1 equal to 6. I'm multiplying through by tan 2 theta. I mean the denominator here. Use it to multiply through the equation. Okay, so then you can do your expansion. This will be tan squared 2 theta minus tan 2 theta. Then you can move this one to the left side, minus 6 equal to 0. So this is quadratic. This is quadratic. So tan 2 theta will be equal to tan 2 theta will be equal to. So punch your calculator. So that will be 3 or minus 2. So we have tan 2 theta equal to 3 or minus 2. So the general solution for this one, for tan 2 theta equal to 3, that will be equal to 2 theta equal to 180 n plus arctan 3. Okay, and that will be equal to 2 theta equal to 180 n plus arctan 3 should be 71.6 degree. Then you can divide that by 2. You have theta equal to 90. Divide the equation by 2. So that will be plus by 2. That's 35. When n is 0, we have 35. Theta equal to 35.8. When n is 1, We have 90 plus 35.8. That's 125.8. Great. When n is 2, we have 180 plus 35.8. So that's 215.8. When n is 3, 270 plus 35.8. That's a 305.8. When n is 4, that's 360 plus. That's outside the range. So let's do for the other one. 2 theta equal to what? Minus 2. Tan 2 theta equal to what? Minus 2. Okay. So the general solution will be equal to 2 theta equal to 180 n plus arctan 2. Arctan minus 2. Okay. And arctan minus 2, that's 2 theta equal to 180 n, and this will be equal to negative value, negative 63.4. So divide by 2, you have theta equal to 90 n minus 31.7. So this is another another general solution. So let's get the list of solutions for that. So when n is 0, we have negative value. So negative is outside the range. N is 1, we have 90 minus 31.7. That's 58. We have 58.3. N is 2, we have 180 minus 31.7. That's 148.3. Yeah, N is 3, that's 270 minus 31.7. That's 238.3. N is 4, that's 360 minus 31.7. That's 328.3. N is 5, 450 minus 31.7, which will be outside the range. So these are the list of values. Okay, these are the list of solutions. So we can just, if you like, we can just arrange in ascending order, combine them together. So that's the solutions for that equations, and that's the end of the questions. Okay, please join the next video. Thank you.